January, February, there's not a lot to do. When we have a window of a nice weather a little bit, we painted the fence to keep it nice and sturdy and protect it from the water, from the rain. Broad bean. I got some more I put in the water and just stick them in. Because some of them slugs get them and the frost get them. Look, see this one? He's not happy bunny at all, look at it. Yeah, I have spares, I'll put some spares. This is horse manure, you have to put it sometimes. I don't use it every year. The horse manure over there. The reason is we cover them with these clear containers. We don't want the mice to get to the seeds. There you go. Now they're well protected. If you want nice big tomatoes, and so they need a lot of calcium, you know. If you like to make a lot of salads, that's what you want to do. Don't throw the eggshells. Dry them, grind them, or put them in a microwave. Let them dry for a minute, then grind them properly, and then mix them with the compost. Never throw eggshells, never throw banana skin. They are Magic Mountain. They are mixed with the eggshell. There's dill and coriander. Gladiolas, that's it, gladiolas. Desiree, and these are it's a new type, the earlies, well, middle, they call them, first earlies, Benton January. Techniques. It's the end of February, and I put in the ground a flavor called apricot tree. You will see in the next coming videos how they develop. I put in the ground again cherry tree about 2 weeks ago. It's doing fine. It's a lovely, beautiful cherry tree. I put in the ground again another tree, apricot tree. This type is Mopark type. Hopefully it will grow nicely in this corner here. We see a lot of sun. They need a lot of sun, these apricot trees. Okay guys, we done a garlic. We had a lot of gap here, so we done one line of garlic and the rest is onions. All of these are onions apart from this one, garlic. And in the previous video, I showed you how to plant the garlic. And as you can see, they're growing lovely, beautiful. As they progress, as they grow, we'll film again and we will show you the development. Broad bean is very good for you. So we planted only a few because every year I do too many. So this year I just done a few. And slowly as they grow, we'll film it and we'll show you the results of it. Right guys, we don't want to be cruel or anything, but this is a compost bin and the rats, they love to leave their babies in there, they dig in. So I put this metal sheet, hopefully they won't be chewing through the wood and getting in there. But since I put this metal mesh, there's no rats are coming in here. The door is closed.